Hi, we're two environmental management technology students, and over the past year, we've explored how industries across the globe are tackling one urgent question. How do we reduce waste and build sustainable futures? From recycling plants in Latin America to smart housing in Southeast Asia, we've seen inspiring solutions and tough challenges. In factories and cities, on job sites, and in innovation hubs, one concept keeps coming up: the circular economy. It's not just a buzzword, it's a systems-level shift, one that transforms how we design, produce, and consume. So, in this video, we're taking you on a journey across 4 countries to explore how businesses are closing the loop, turning waste into value, problems into profits, and linear systems into circular ones. Welcome to What Goes Around Comes Around, the circular economy. Our world is drowning in waste. Every single year, industries generate billions of tons of garbage. We're talking about mountains of plastic, endless piles of packaging, and resources used once, then thrown away. Landfills are overflowing. Oceans are choking with debris, and our air is heavy with pollution. This isn't just an environmental issue, it's an economic and social one too. Resources are running low, communities are living next to waste, and nature is paying the price. But what if we could change this story? What if industry didn't mean destruction, but regeneration? Imagine a system where waste becomes value, and products are born to be reborn. Enter the circular economy, an economic model where resources are used wisely, waste is minimized, and materials circulate in closed loops. Think of it like nature, where leaves fall, decompose, and nourish new life. In a circular system, nothing is wasted. Products are designed to last longer, to be repaired, reused, or recycled. It's not just about recycling, it's about rethinking the entire system, from product design to supply chains to what happens after use. Circularity is a shift from linear thinking to circular action. Circularity isn't just about saving the planet, it's also smart business. Industries save money by using fewer raw materials. They build resilience against supply chain disruptions, and they create new jobs. The International Labour Organization predicts that circular economy practices could generate 24 million green jobs by 2030. In sectors like construction, agriculture, and manufacturing, circularity leads to innovation and new market opportunities. It also builds consumer trust. People want to support companies that are part of the solution. Circularity boosts reputation and competitiveness. In Malaysia, Sime Darby Property is pioneering circular design in urban housing developments. They reuse construction materials, reduce landfill waste, and promote sustainable lifestyles. Organic waste from residents is composted and used in community gardens. Rainwater is harvested. Even road materials are optimized for longevity. Their approach blends sustainability with innovation in real estate. In Mexico, PetStar operates the world's largest food-grade pet recycling plant. Managed by the Coca-Cola Company, PetStar collects used plastic bottles from across the country. These bottles are sorted, cleaned, and transformed into new bottles, a complete closed-loop system. The initiative not only reduces plastic waste, but also supports thousands of informal waste collectors. It's a powerful example of industry stepping up to build a circular supply chain. Guinea, one of the world's largest producers of bauxite, faces a growing challenge: what to do with red mud, an industrial waste from refining bauxite into alumina. This thick reddish sludge is not only difficult to manage, but poses long-term risks to soil and water. But a shift is underway. Companies and researchers are exploring innovative ways to repurpose red mud into construction materials. It can be mixed into cement or used in road building, transforming a toxic byproduct into a useful input. These efforts reflect a larger movement in the extractive industry, turning environmental burdens into building blocks and aligning resource extraction with sustainability goals. In Indonesia, textile factories are rethinking fashion through circular practices. Instead of throwing away fabric scraps and old clothes, they collect them, shred them, and spin them into new yarns and fabrics, giving textiles a second life. This circular model reduces the need for virgin materials, cuts down on landfill waste, saves massive amounts of water, and lowers carbon emissions. It's a major shift away from fast fashion, which often prioritizes speed and profit over sustainability. By closing the loop in textile production, Indonesia is turning one of the most polluting sectors into a leader in circular innovation, proving that fashion can be both stylish and sustainable. Here are 5 actions your company can take today. 1. Redesign products for longevity. 2. Implement take-back schemes. 3. Use renewable materials. 4. Adopt closed-loop supply chains. 5. Transform waste into valuable resources. What if we don't act? The cost is far greater than we imagine. We're already seeing the signs: rising global temperatures, extreme weather events, disrupted food systems, and oceans burdened by plastic and toxic waste. Our current take, make, dispose model is accelerating the breakdown of ecosystems we depend on. Industries aren't immune either. Raw material costs continue to rise. Supply chains are becoming more fragile. Regulatory frameworks are tightening, and public pressure is mounting. Inaction comes with a price: economic, environmental, and social. But here's the good news. We still have a choice. The knowledge exists. The technologies are ready. Momentum is growing globally. By shifting toward a circular economy, we can turn this crisis into an opportunity for renewal. The circular economy isn't just a trend, it's the foundation of a new industrial era, one where waste becomes wealth, and sustainability drives innovation. Whether you're a student with ideas, an entrepreneur building solutions, or an industry leader shaping systems, the change starts with you. Rethink how we design, reimagine how we produce, redefine what we call waste. Because the future belongs to those who create value without destruction, to those who close the loop, not just in theory, but in action. This is your moment to lead, your moment to join the circular revolution. Let's build a future where what goes around truly comes around.